Choose the verb that corresponds to the activity in the clip. The water is A. Cooking, B. Boiling, C. Rolling. B. Boiling. The water is boiling. You can the stove with a match. A. Light, B. Fire, C. Set. A. Light. You can light the stove with a match. She is a potato. A. Slicing, B. Peeling, C. Carving. B. Peeling. She is peeling a potato. The cookies are in the oven. A. Broiling, B. Roasting, C. Baking. C. Baking. The cookies are baking in the oven. The cook is eggs and bacon. A. Frying, B. Grilling, C. Scrambling. A. Frying. The cook is frying eggs and bacon. She is the onions. A. Peeling, B. Spreading, C. Chopping. C. Chopping. She is chopping the onions. First, you must the flour. A. Stir, B. Sift, C. Blend. B. Sift. First, you must sift the flour. The chef is the ingredients. A. Pouring. B. Melting. C. Mixing. C. Mixing. The chef is mixing the ingredients. Now we will the salad. A. Stir. B. Steam. C. Toss. C. Toss. Now we will toss the salad. He is the cheese. A. Grating. B. Whisking. C. Sprinkling. A. Grating. He is grating the cheese. How did you do?